Hello everyone, I am Vandana Sinha and I am an occupational therapist. Currently, I am associated with the PlayStreet Specially Abled Educare Trust, Bangalore. In this video, I will be discussing about the fine motor kit and how the parents can make the fine motor kits for their children with the resources available easily at home. This is my fine motor kit and I will show you what are the materials and tools I have put in my fine motor kits. So let's see one by one. So I will show you one by one what I have in my fine motor kit. So first I have slate and chalk, blocks, lock and key, a scissor, color, dough or clay, matchstick, some clothespin, squeezy ball, a tongue, some grains and pasta, rubber bands, coins, and at last some paper for worksheet and some crayons, pencil, eraser and sharpener.
Like that with fingers. One more. Sorry, with good. Oh, take out. Let's put first. Let's put